The KLOS carbon fiber F-style mandolin. The long-awaited F-style mandolin by KLOS carbon fiber. If you know anything about KLOS, these make fantastic instruments. I mean, just a great company, great group of guys over there. It's always a pleasure to work with them and to see and play and sell their great instruments here. This is the F-style mandolin. People have been wanting this one for a long time. They have the teardrop shape. Those are killer as well, but just this kind of this cool F-style, and they kind of did it with a twist. All right, so you have kind of the, reminiscent of F-style, the headstock, the swirl in here, but just a little bit different. Just the shape's a little bit different. Still very, very comfortable to play. And for a carbon fiber, I mean, sounds amazing. Carbon fiber is, first of all, built, amazingly built. Withstands humidity, withstands temperature really well. And just quite honestly, it looks very cool. And you do get quite a bit of warmth and projection out of it. Now that was acoustic. Earlier I was playing with the pickup. I'll talk about some of the different options that these come in. But this one is the straight carbon fiber all the way around. And you can tell by the cool kind of twill pattern that it has all the way around, gloss finish on it, and then that pattern continues all the way up the neck and even up here on the head plate. Now, this is the F-style, so again, not the teardrop, the F-style. And just really, just some of the things they did with this, really, really cool looking as well, sounding. I dig it. Very cool. Now, these also come in carbon timber, right? So that's kind of it's carbon fiber, but it's a different way that they make it. So these come in the carbon timber as well, but this one is the straight carbon fiber. And as I mentioned, this one has a pickup, but you can get these acoustic. So no pickup. And just you're gonna get the now this one has the KLOS pickup in it, and I really like this one. It sits here really well. It's got the tuner built in. It's got the pickup built in. Now this is extra, okay? So if you want the pickup, there's going to be a little bit extra. And they have a couple other options as well for pickups that you can get, like the K&K pickup, which doesn't have this, but is still picked up in it. All right, now you have the kind of the way they describe it here is a soft V/C combination. It is. So you can kind of feel the little V. You can feel it kind of coming to the point, but it's real soft, very, very comfortable, especially for, a mandolin for carbon fiber. Like I said, the classic kind of F-style headstock here. Nice gear tuners. This one happens to have the gold hardware on it. You can also get these with the chrome hardware if that's something that you like. We have an overall length here of 26.7 inches, a scale length of 13.87 inches, inch and an eighth nut width on it. It does have the ebony bridge and then the ebony composite fretboard, and this is a 12-inch radius fretboard. So very cool. All right, let me do a little more playing. All right, so that was plugged in just so you can hear it with the amp. I think it sounds cool with an amp. But again, if you want these straight acoustic, you can get these acoustic. They come with a padded gig bag, but as an add-on, a little bit extra, but very nice. It does have the KLOS carbon fiber case that you can add as an add-on, which I would highly recommend because they're very padded inside. It fits very well and they're very cool. All right, so I think that's going to do it. We got the F-style mandolin. You can get this, all the different varieties of these at terrycartermusicstore.com, but these are new. If you want one, do not wait because they go fast. A lot of people have been waiting a long time for this to come out, and once the first batches are gone, they'll be making them, but they're going to be just continue to take a while to produce these because they're new, they're hot, and they're cool. So there you go, the KLOS F-style carbon fiber mandolin, terrycartermusicstore.com. And then I've been kind of thinking about doing a course for mandolin over at ukelikeThePros.com. What do you think? Is that a good idea? Kind of a beginning intro to mandolin? Let me know.